Welcome to Kutaisi, one of the oldest cities in Europe and the historic heart of western Georgia. Long before modern borders existed, this region was known as Colchis, the legendary land linked to the story of Jason and the Golden Fleece. Standing here today, it is easy to feel the weight of thousands of years of history. Kutaisi has long been an important political, religious, and cultural center. At different times it served as a royal capital, a crossroads of trade, and a symbol of Georgian identity. Even now it has a calmer and more traditional atmosphere than the fast-moving capital of Tbilisi. Our first stop is the magnificent Bagrati Cathedral, rising above the city on Ukamarioni Hill. Originally built in the early 11th century during Georgia's Golden Age, the cathedral became a symbol of national unity. From here, the panoramic views stretch across Kutaisi, the winding river, and the green plains beyond. The city itself is pleasant to explore, with broad avenues, leafy parks, and reminders of many historical eras. In the center stands the colorful Colchis fountain, decorated with enlarged replicas of ancient golden artifacts discovered in this region. It is a modern monument celebrating an ancient civilization. Originally built in the early 11th century during Georgia's Golden Age under King Bagrati III, the cathedral became a powerful symbol of national unity and the consolidation of the Georgian kingdom. After visiting Bagrati Cathedral, we come down from Ukamarioni Hill and begin exploring everyday Kutaisi on foot. One of the best ways to understand any city is to visit its local market, where daily life unfolds most naturally. Here, stalls are filled with fresh fruit, vegetables, herbs, bread, cheese, and regional specialties brought in from the fertile countryside of western Georgia. Vendors greet regular customers, prices are discussed, and the rhythm of ordinary life continues much as it has for generations. From the market, we make our way toward the river and cross one of Kutaisi's bridges spanning the Rioni River, the waterway that has shaped the city since ancient times. The river once helped make Kutaisi an important settlement and trade center, linking inland regions with the Black Sea world. From the bridge, there are fine views of the embankments, older buildings, and the hills rising beyond the city. We then continue into the center of Kutaisi, where broad avenues and leafy public spaces create a relaxed urban atmosphere. In the heart of the city stands the colorful Colchis fountain, decorated with enlarged golden figures inspired by archaeological treasures discovered in this region. It is a modern monument that celebrates the ancient kingdom of Colchis, once famous in legend as the land of the Golden Fleece. Nearby parks, benches, and shaded walkways give the center a welcoming feel. Families stroll, children play, and locals gather in the open air. It is a pleasant reminder that Kutaisi is not only a city of deep history, but also a very livable and human-scale city today.